Hi guys, part 3 actually in my town. Yeah. So here's my bookshelf. My chest, and I have an arrow from the chest, so yeah. I'm gonna find some, I don't know, skeleton or anything down there. Nothing out there. It's gonna be randomly shooting. Cannonball! Oh, I was about to shoot my dog, sorry. I'm gonna put it away now. Ah! I fell down the stairs. Now, out of this building. Oh, jeez, I'm not going upstairs. Is this mailman car? Jeez. I'm trying to get in. I can't get in. Oh yeah, the stairs. They're not in there. Okay, that's it. That creeped me out. And that's his driver thing. I know I don't have a driver thing. That's the window, so for him to see. So yeah. I'm not looking slow. Fast! Back here in my garden. My standing on my chest. There's some random weeds and trees. Here's my pumpkins that already grown. Whee! Oh yeah, and the other side is my neighbors. They always keep on leaving their door open. I don't even know why. Probably they have a garage sale or something. Hi, little villagers. Like almost every single villager that I spawned shows up in this house. Kind of. This is not my dog. Take this one. Why is there a cat in here? I guess that's your cat. What are you doing? You want to follow me? Wow, you have 6. You have like 3 dogs and like 1 cat. That's so. What? Seriously. Wait, I think it's one of your friend's dogs, whatever. There's some bookshelves. I made this house. It was actually a bridge, but then I changed it into a house bridge. I'll show you next video, whatever.